Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Twitch. Good morning, Kick. How are you beautiful people doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello. Yay, back outside. Let's go. We are back outside, Whānau. Good morning, good to see everyone again. Some morning wood for you. Some morning wood. Hey, what's up, Wadey over on Kick? Hello and goodbye to random stuff on YouTube. Where you from, Wadey? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I thought I told you, my bro. Oh well. I'll tell you again. Down here in the southern hemisphere, my bro, that's where I'm from. How we doing, guys? Sorry it took so long. I was sorting out the baby. She's still a bit sick. From Pakistan. Hello. Tēnā koe football fiesta. Hello, how's the stream going? BBC delivery. We just started, brother. Yo, Janice, thank you very much for the 10 months getting us started for the day as well. Tēnā koe, Janice. Kia ora whānau. Oh, where are you? Holy shit. Far out. I'm actually stupid. Far out. Just because you said my name, I'll chuck you a follow. Oh, thank you. What's up, Holrick? What's good, Janice? Good to see you. Good morning, everybody. Cozy McGee as well. So we're going to be doing a bit of carving today. We're going to be starting the second project that we have here as well, because it's due in September. It's a paid job as well. So we got to run that too. We got to run that, and then we should be good. On today's agenda, going to be cutting out some more notches today. I'm not so much cutting them out, opening them up. So this is where we touch up all the notches now, in this section of the designing phase. Oh, true Cozy, what did he used to stream, brother? RuneScape. A lot of people have been starting to play RuneScape Classic again. I've seen a big influx of RuneScape being streamed. I never played RuneScape myself. I normally just watch people do it. Especially back in school. A lot of my big cousins were jamming RuneScape and I was playing Adventure Quest. Then eventually moved into Warcraft 3, the demo. Good old Adventure Quest. You made a parade for him in game? Oh, that's cool. It's cool when a community comes together like that, eh? When a community does that for an individual, bro, it's actually quite peak. Genuinely love my fruit, chat. So we've got to do that. Something else we are doing today, I'm going to get it now. we're going to make a start to this as well. So we're doing a handle for an X. So we call them pātuki. So we're going to do one of these. I think we'll do this around the 2-hour mark maybe. We'll see how we go. And so we're going to be doing switching between two carvings on the stream for a little bit. Just so we can get that locked in. Morning, Percy. You say 2 carvings for a bit. Gonna smash those out. And then we continue from there. But for now we'll carry on with the heimato or the fish hook. Yeah, we'll carry on carving this. And we should be good here. Chat, just fixing up a few little things on this. Alright. Right, this is what we'll be up to today. Carving this, doing some of the design. And once we finish all that, we move over to the other side and then we'll carve the other side too. Okay? Chat. Beep beep. Okay. But as we always start the stream, chat, I like to enjoy my coffee first. So for now we'll have a bit of a yarn. If you have any questions as well, feel free to ask. But that's pretty much on the board today, is getting a lot of that done. Is that traditional S in the middle. That is an S that majority of us that are in our 30s probably did when we were young. The middle section of this carving is getting cut out, so I was just putting anything on it, but we won't cut the middle section out until we get towards the end of the carving. Which is still a fair bit away. Now for this other piece, so just sorting out the handle today. I'm wondering, I should actually put my center lines in again so I can see them. One moment. Okay, yeah. We'll mold out the handle today, get that all done. The timing for my ad break was hilarious. You explained everything and then you said, here we go. And then it went ad break. The timing though. What's up, Faye? Good to see you. What's up, Lucid GG? Morning. Ooh. Sorry, the male person is here. What's up, Ocelot? Hello. Sorry I haven't started carving yet, yet. I normally like to enjoy a bit of a coffee before we do so. Just to get us in the groove of things. And to stay warm as well. Do you have a garden? I wish. Cause me and my wife are only renting. We're not allowed. We're not allowed to do a garden. Unfortunately, but normally through the summer we'd do flowers. Our kids would do flowers just to teach them, you know, how to look after something, how to nurture. I want to teach them how to do gardening as well. Probably traditional gardening, like just in the ground. And because I came across these things at my daughter's school, they had a bit of a conference there, and they had those garden towers. They had those, and I really want to do those as well. It'll be cool to have a garden tower. Nah, not even a container garden, bro. Our landlord said no. Unfortunately, so my mum has a garden, so I take them to her house to learn about it too. Like silver beet and all that kind of stuff. Yo, Viper Wolf, hey, happy G Day, Viper Wolf. Thank you very much for the 1 year. Thank you for the 1 year of support as well. Hope you're well. Hope you're looking after yourself too, Viper Wolf. And ngā mihi nui. Yeah, that's probably the one thing, like, if we ever get a house, that's the one thing I'd like to do is a garden. You've been gaming much lately? Yeah, we did a gaming stream last night. But yeah, I've been playing a bit of WoW, getting ready for Mr. Pandaria. Just leveling a monk right now. All the classes I want to play, I have. I do have to level a mage though. I've been playing 2 servers, pretty much. So some friends from OCE this region, and I've been jamming with some people from OnlyFans as well. Nah, Season of Discovery is over, my bro. They're finishing it. Like, they're closing down the servers. Yeah, they're closing down SOD servers, and the next classic is Mr. Pandaria. Yeah, bro. Unfortunate, because, you know, Season of Discovery was quite fun, but at the same time, they got to move on. I've been playing a little bit of GTA RP. I started playing, why is our camera bugging? I started playing a little bit of Car X last night. I got Peak as well. I haven't been able to jump into Peak yet. Modern Chaotix. Was the best video game you ever played? Oh, true. Yeah, it was pretty fun. Especially when you have mates to play it with as well. What else? I'm trying to think. What else was there? Now I've just been jamming those 2 games a lot lately. Especially at late nights, because our baby is quite sick, and I normally just handle through the night just to watch her, make sure she has a good sleep, and then I go to sleep at 4 AM and wake up at 8. And make sure my wife has a good sleep too. Not only fans, only fangs, like FANGS. And so what else? No, yeah, I've been just chilling out majority of the time with my kids, because it's the school holidays. That's why they're not here right now, hence the reason why I'm streaming carving at this time. But I've got my niece here, so want to make sure, you know, that we spend a bit of time with her. So we'll get a stream in. Get a stream in today. And then hopefully get another stream in tonight. Hopefully. No, you're not guaranteed. But I just want to drink this coffee first and then we'll get underway. So yeah, 2 carvings today. We're going to be doing the hook, but I'm going to be making a start to this as well. Because, yeah, once again, it's due in September, and it's a paid one. Feels good. Thanks for clarifying. Yeah, I'd never do OnlyFans unless I was donated $1 million to do it for fun. And I'll be honest, if I was ever to do it, it would be probably me eating a peanut butter and jam sandwich. That's it. And the last video will be me laughing at everyone saying, why do you subscribe to this channel? But in hindsight, I probably never will. And I hope, you know. Oh, one of my cousins actually does it, and I'm like, why do you do that? Like, do you do the shit that everyone else does? And she said nothing. I was like, ooh, you're yuck. Pretty much said that too in front of everyone. I was, ooh, you're yuck. Hold on, guys. I need to just cover the sun. Just wood carving in a Speedo. Hell no. Do you know how uncomfortable that would be? I don't know. Nah. That's weird. Okay. I'm almost done and then we can start. What is that sound? We've had roadworks on the block for about a month now, and I gotta say, bro, the roadworks in this country take a bloody long time to finish something. Straight up. Okay. Oakley dokley. Oh yeah. What are we up to today? So, notches today. Notches today. Carving out some notches today. Okay, go, get in the vice, alright, summer too high. Here we go, that's in. Let me get our chisels ready that we need. I should have done them before I started stream. Righto. Righto. Here we go. Twitch, YouTube, Kick. Here we go. What up, Ninja? Morning on my bro. What's up? Owned by Eden. Hey, but that's been a while. How are you? Hey, what up, my brother? It's we're going good, my bro. Going good. Unfortunately, baby's a bit sick right now, but under the weather, so she's been my sole focus right now. Hence the reason why the inconsistency with the carving streams. I've been a bit of a night owl while she sleeps, but all in all, bro, she's still smiling. Still smiling, still happy. And our other two big girls are with their grandmother at the moment. I need to go and pick them up today. And pick them up today because my niece is here and she's wondering where they are. So I just told her I'll get in a quick stream and then I'll go and get them. So you're gonna be a bit of family time today, chat. Might try and get in a stream this evening. Big might. But yeah, it's been a bit hard. I've been missed out a couple of days at the gym, just looking after baby and making sure my wife is okay as well. But I'll get back soon. Yeah, so all we're doing right now is just opening up all these notches all along here. So I'll do a bit and then we'll carry on. I thought I saw something on Instagram. I hope yeah, so that was my big girl, my bro. And then our baby. Bit of a double whammy. Our baby's a bit congested and snotty nose. Which can be, you know, very, very dangerous for a baby. So I've had my eyes on her like a hawk, pretty much. Also, who's seen Ironheart? There's a little something I slightly want to talk about. It does have to do with one of the actors in there. I'm just going to say it anyway. How the fuck did they get Ali G in Marvel Universe? Sacha Baron Cohen is in the Marvel Universe right now. And I can't take him serious. Because all I see is Ali G. It's like, how the hell did he get into Marvel? Yeah, I cannot take him serious in that. Like, at all, man. I hope your daughter gets well. Yeah, our big girl, so she was complaining of, chest pains, and my instant thought was, you know, her heart. And I got scared, so I just said, come on, let's go to the hospital. When stuff like that happens, chat, I am not one to fuck around. I instantly told her, come on, get in the car, let's go. We went up to the hospital, so she got checked. So we got our first check, and then it took like 8 hours. It was like a 6-hour minimum wait. And my daughter was starting to get annoyed and bored. I was like, Dad, I don't want to sit here anymore. I was like, oh. So I was kind of weighing up my options then. And she was getting hungry as well. Because when she gets hangry, whew, she lets you know. Just like her dad. Yeah, so I was trying to figure out what the hell can I do. I was talking with my wife on the phone, and because she works up at the hospital too, before she went on maternity leave, and told me what I should do, and got some advice from the doctor, and looked over her heart scans and said her heart is totally normal. Like, it could have been something, she may have just had a little bit too much to chew while she was eating, and she did have an apple when I remember from that situation, and I instantly thought, okay, maybe she just tried to eat a bit more than she could. So there was that, and we come home, and then she goes, "Oh, I'm okay, Dad." And from that moment, I pretty much said, "Sleep by me." And at the time, baby was sick too, so I had her and the baby sleep by me while I stayed up through the night, just to make sure she was okay, or both of them really. I just stayed up and played some games, watched some movies, and the next thing you know, the birds were singing. And that's when my wife woke up and she took over and I went to sleep. That's always how I've been as a parent ever since I became a father, chat. If something's wrong with my kids, I'll stay up just to watch them. Yeah, I'll stay up just to watch them, and I'd rather my wife have a good sleep, because she has to get up and feed the kids. Lucky the baby's mix feeding too. I'm that guy as well, chat. Like, if my wife's in a deep sleep, I won't try and wake her up. I'll let her have a good sleep so I can tend to the kids myself. That's my love language. What's up, Taylor World? Thanks, Faye. What's up, local water boy? How are you? Yeah, that's my love language. Okay, here we go. Can you actually see me popping out all these notches? Probably not, eh? My big hand's in the way. Shit. Kinda wish my sister's partner was like that, but hey, can't win all the time. I feel there, brother. Wait, what's up, Rex over on Kick? Hey, what up, brother? Morena. Once again, whānau, if you do have a bit of a Kick channel, go through and follow the Kick as well. Trying to push for partner. We've got 2 out of the 5 requirements. We're closing in on the 3rd as well. Are you live on TikTok too? Not yet, my phone is charging. I forgot to charge it last night because I was pretty cooked. Just tired. Once my kids go to their nan and koros chat next week, I'm hoping that the weather's good, so I can go out and film some content. But I've got an idea as well. I've got an idea for some YouTube content that I want to do. So I'll try and get that underway as well. I don't even know if you can see how open these notches are right now. I just seen that there's a girl from Rotorua going viral on TikTok as well for a dance she did, and she works at McDonald's. It was random too, just coming across it. Go. Yeah, I'm not even sure if you can see the progress that we're making. Can you? I'm actually not sure. So we've done all this section here. We've opened up all the notches in here. I don't know if there's a clear difference, but I can see shadows, so I'm guessing there's a bit of a difference. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we have to do right now, is butt out all these notches pretty much all the way around, and do it again on the other side too when we eventually start the other side. There we go. Also, Ninja, when you graduate, my bro, or when you get accepted, my bro, you're jumping on the Carve It Up podcast, okay? Is that all good with you? It has to be, because you're going to do it. You're jumping on the Carve It Up podcast, my bro. I was waiting for the brother Mahalo, but I'm giving him some space right now because something happened with his family. Oh boy, I must say something outrageous, I know it. It's alright, we'll bleep it out, I'll get my editor to bleep it out, my bro. Also, I need someone to link me where I can get the Lord of the Rings books, because I'm really ready to start reading this series to you guys. Remember, it's a promise that I made. You all want me to read you the book, and I'm keen to do so. Some really nice work you got there. Hey, thank you very much, my brother. Welcome to the stream as well, my friend. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. Part-time wizard? No. Traditional Maori woodcarver, brother. I've been carving timber since I was 12 years old. Wish I could have been a part-time wizard in life, but hey, we can't be everything. Hey, what up, chef? How are you, my friend? Once again, if you are new to the channel and you saw the Twitch notification that I was live, that is normal here, alright? Touching wood. I literally do it in a non-goony way, alright? Yeah. The only thing when it comes to goon that I'll do, chat, is watch the Goonies. If you don't know what the Goonies is, it was a prime time movie from the 90s and there was an ugly guy on there that I got scared of all the time. Dude's face looked like a TikTok filter. He was my nightmare fuel back in the day. What's up, Nakura? What do you do with wood makes you a wizard? Wait, really? Double down with the no ditties. Oh, that's crazy that he only got convicted of the 5 convictions, eh? Did you see that? I'm calling it now, chat. The reason why he didn't get convicted of all 5 charges is because he's invited those people to his future freak-off parties. I'm calling it here. Have you checked out Amazon for the books? No, I haven't. I should check. I saw one on Mighty Ape. But it had 4 books and I was confused. Might be The Hobbit, actually, now that I think about it. It's the little things in life that keeps evil at bay. How good is Gandalf, eh? He's so good, bro. I'ma go poop. Okay. Yeah, I reckon he paid someone off, chat. Yeah, I saw a Lord of the Rings book series, but it had like 4 books in it. I'm not sure if that's it. I might actually share it in the Discord. Should I be cheeky with these book reading streams and upload the VODs to YouTube as well? I think I saw that as well. I think the 4th book is The Hobbit. Okay, but I don't want to start from The Hobbit though. I just want to get straight to Lord of the Rings. Because it'll be weird to me if I do cop that and then I don't start from The Hobbit. Hey, that'll be a bit weird, champ. Wouldn't it? Just, hey guys, I got this 4-part book series of Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. We're going to start off with the Fellowship of the Ring. Although the sub-goal did say Lord of the Rings, not The Hobbit. Options, chat options. Options. Nah, I'd feel weird not reading the Hobbit book when it's like right there. Straight up. One moment, I'll be with you soon. Yo, Chef, thank you very much for the 62 months. More than a month, bro. Far out. Morning wood is crazy. Hey, it is currently 10:04 a.m. Here is the wood. What is you thinking about, bro? Here is the wood, and the time is 10:04 a.m. Yeah, the time is 10:04 a.m., ladies and gentlemen. So, the Twitch notification was accurate, right? You've been good? Oh, brother. Okay. Life update for the bro chef. How we doing, brother? Look at me in Dumbledore's bloody train station right now. Life's good. Like, life's good. Other than my daughter. Yo, Heisenberger, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. I see your suggestions too, my bro. Thank you. So from Canada, what's up, Amel? How's it going, eh? Life's been good. Been busy over the school holidays. I haven't really gone to carve that much, as I normally don't on the school holidays, as I try and commit to my kids more. My big girl, she was a bit sick, and our youngest, our baby's got a snotty nose and a bad cough right now, so my sleeping schedule has been, on a good day, about 4 hours. Just making sure they're okay, but they're doing good. Like, baby's still smiling about your oldest. So, but yeah, bro. So my big girl she was just complaining of chest pains, but we got that cleared up and she's all good. Yo, what up, Spankin' Rankin? Yeah, they're both good. Our middle child, our little rough diamond, she's all good. Yeah, our little rough diamond's all good. She's just been her Donny Thornberry self, pretty much. But yeah, they're all good. School holidays right now, so I've either had to start streaming very early, carving, or this is a pretty late stream for the school holidays, just because the only reason I'm live right now is because the girls are with my mum. Spending some time with them, with my mum. And yeah, which gave us more time to focus more on baby while we let her sleep. In that span, I have become addicted to K-pop due to my kids and that freaking movie on Netflix, K-pop Demon Hunters. Yeah, quite catchy these songs, I do say so myself. Along with my wife, who has gotten me invested in a K-drama that she started last night. So it talks about a girl that went paragliding one day in South Korea, and then a tornado come out of nowhere, and the tornado blew into North Korea, and then she found some soldier from North Korea, and they fell in love. And obviously it's forbidden, and the man's father is a high-ranking general in North Korea, and then they have to try and come up with a plan on how to get her back over the wall. And then there's another general that's trying to take over the dad's position to get more power, and he's very corrupt in paying people off, and killed his older brother. And then unfortunately, the younger brother comes back from Switzerland because that's where he was going for university, and he made up a song for his brother that passed away. And out of pure coincidence, the love interest heard that specific song while she was in Switzerland as well, on a wharf, on a lake. And then eventually they meet each other, they fall in love, and then he comes up with a plan to get her back over to South Korea, where she is a very high-ranking businesswoman. But unfortunately she has brothers and sisters that are trying to steal her company that she made, because they kicked her out of her company, their family company, so she made her own. And then eventually we got to the part where they're in South Korea, and the general and his loyalists are in South Korea trying to clap them both. Okay, so that's as far as we've gone. We've got 4 episodes left, and yeah, I was playing WoW, and then I started turning back more, and then started turning back more, and then I turned World of Warcraft off, and I sat down and I got into it. So yeah, we've got 4 episodes left. I told her she can't watch those episodes until I finish streaming. Okay, so yeah, I'm a bit invested. It's pretty catchy. K-dramas, man, got me by the balls, man. Jeez, they're so good. It normally happens with all the programs my wife watches. I keep turning around and, what's happening, babe? She's like, oh, just come fucking watch it. So I think the theme for this month is Korea. Next one is Epic the Musical. Check out Vagabond if you want something action-packed. Oh yeah, is that a K-drama too? Gonna do some Dota. Ooh, who do you play in Dota though? I've been playing, getting back into a little bit of Dota as well. I do want to play that Peak game though. Yeah, I did cop that Peak game last night. It was pretty cheap, so I had to. Could have made that whole plot up, and I wouldn't be surprised because that sounds so bizarre. Yeah, bro, it's actually it's actually the story. Yeah, 4 episodes left. They're about an hour and 30 minutes long. I was going to finish it last night, but then I wouldn't have heard the end of it if my wife found out. Catch me on my K-dramas, chat. Now, if you are someone that indulges in K-dramas, let me know some good ones. Some musical, honestly, I only heard a single song and then it was cool. Then I found out it was from a 2.5 hour playlist, and it Greek gods and monsters are blending. Oh, okay. Damn, each episode is a film. That's why it's so good, bro. Yeah, so been indulging in a bit of TV, chat. I don't normally watch TV, but oh, so good, so good. Well, there's 2 chefs in this chat. Chef's kiss. I remember when the standard film was 1 hour 30, but nowadays everything is. Bro, like Wicked, my niece is watching that right now. I looked at how long that movie is. Bro, 2 hours. And it's a musical as well. I ain't sitting through 2 hours of that, bro. Holy. No wonder no one liked it. Yeah, bro, 2 hours. And also, I'm still fiending a good ramen, eh? That's the downfall of Rotorua, chat, I would say. There's no good ramen spots here. None at all. There's some, but they're not to the standard that I want. A lot of people were asking if I was going to PAX Oz this year, but I told them no, I'm saving. I need to drive an hour for ramen, hence why I make it. Oh, I want to be good at making some, eh? What's up, Mr. Kendo? A friend and I have also randomly decided to write books in the same week. She's gone down the just write and figure out along the way and edit. I'm more of a build everything. Oh, nice, chef. Yo, that's pretty cool. When you publish it, can you let me know and I'll get one? Since it's like 5 AM. Oh, never mind bloody lurking. Turn it off. Turn it off and do your work. Naughty, this guy, eh? He never tells us he's got work to do and he's yapping in the stream. Naughty police officer in the making, Chet, that fella. Jeez. Naughty fella. Shit, I'm wondering if I should even just go live on TikTok today. Should I? Sometimes I feel like I might be doing it too much. Especially for something easygoing like this, because I feel like TikTok is a very fast-paced community as well. Let me just go and get my phone real quick. So you can kind of see with all these shadows here, they will have opened them up now. So I want to get at least like majority of it done, at least all that you can see, to about halfway here. So that's how much I want to get done. So I want to get that much done today, and then we can switch over to the other carving. So we're going to be doing 2 carvings for now. I've got to do a Pātuki or a X in September. That's when it's due. So we've got some rata here, RATA, some hardwood, and we're going to do this up. Slap Subway Surfers in on the half. I'll be honest, I want to do a just chatting section where it's like Subway Surfer and other stuff. You know that soap, those soap videos, eh, when they're cutting soap? And get the new ones, we'll get the glass cutting fruit and some other stuff in the background. Alright, let's bring in TikTok, eh? Brox, thanks for coming on, watching. Oh, thanks for going live? Oh. Yeah, I see him and a lot of other streamers, you know. This is, oh, man. For me, chat, you know, I'm 32. And I like to act like I'm 32 as well. Not all the time though. I like being a cheeky bastard. The drama and the reaction stuff. When it comes to streaming, man, I think it's fucking stupid. That's what I feel like streaming has become. For the vast majority. Streams and reacts, drama. And it's kind of dumb to see, eh? In my opinion, but that's kind of, you know, the dick everyone likes to smoke on these days. Unfortunately. But, you know, it works for them, but, oh man, I couldn't bring myself to do that, eh? It feels wrong. Instead of, you know, exchanging clips of opinions and whatnot, just get in the ring and fight each other. That's what I'd say. Get in the ring and fight each other, because this shit's been going on for a year. It's stupid, bro. Where do these carvings go? This one's going overseas. Majority of my carvings do not stay with me, brother. I have the odd one that's here. But, I've had a lot of interest in it, eh? So I'm trying to juggle who to sell it to. It's always a hard thing to work out for me. It's definitely a hard thing. Because, you know, I'm a bit of a people pleaser. I want to try and, you know, make sure someone that's deserving gets it. I think the tactic I need to do, chat, is just say it's like $3,000 or something, eh? Just say it's $3,000 and then that should get rid of all the time wasters. That could be something. Morning, Callum. Morena. Dig the tunes. What are you making? Hey, what's up, Breezy? Oh, bro, this is just World of Warcraft music, my bro. I just know game music is safe to play while we multi-stream. We are making a heimato, my brother. So this is a fish hook, my bro. So this section here will get cut out a little later. So once everything's all designed, that's when we can cut the middle out. So we kind of want to play it safe right now. Hey, thank you very much, Amaya Ted. Thank you. Yeah, so this whole section here will get cut out once everything's pretty much done. Thank you, Amaya. Half a day. What's up, Bisinu? Good to see you. How do you know when to stop carving? When it's fully designed and there's nothing left to do, pretty much. Yeah, once it's fully designed and we got nothing left to do, then it must be time to cut the middle out, my bro. But yeah, got a fair idea of what I want to do with this particular piece anyway. So it's pretty much just sailing once we get to the end, brother. And then we eventually stain it. Then I gotta do all the annoying crap with customs. Just so that, you know, it gets to the destination. How have you been, TikTok? Good to see you. Kia ora, kia ora. Sorry I haven't been live. Oi! Eva Duca, thank you very much for the $5 over on YouTube. Much love, brother. Hopefully moving from the USA to the UK soon to be with my fiance. Oi! Congratulations, brother. And escaping my collapsing home as it gets taken over. Oh, shit, my bro. Hey, refund that $5 so you can save up for your bloody plane ticket. How do you do that? The S in the middle is beautiful. 90s vibes for me. I remember making a sword out of this essay. Yeah, brother, please don't donate to me so your movers comes a bit faster, hey? Oh, that sounded weird, but hey. Already got the plane ticket? Hey, my guy. Love you, Mahi. Thank you, Stack Road Bullets Limited. Thank you very much to, what's that? Emoji face for the gifties as well. Some from Amsterdam, Holland. Kia ora. Amsterdam. I remember meetings because I used to work in tourism chat before streaming. Met a lot of cool people from around the world, and met this old lovely couple from Holland as well. They were cool, man. When I was in the carving school at the time, they couldn't keep up with the tour group that was there. So I sat down with them and explained to them what the carving school was, and they really appreciated that. And I enjoyed sharing a moment with the elderly in order for them to understand fully what the carving school was about. Thank you, Zawarudo. Damn! 31 roses, and we got Entertain House as well. Tech Romancer, thank you very much for the kind thought with your $100 comment. Cheer, my brother. This is amazing. Thank you very much, good sir. So all we're doing right now is trying to get rid of the excess timber within these notches. So you might see all these notches all over the carving here. So all we're doing is just opening them up a bit more. So we get a bit more emphasis on the design. And then we can move on. So there's some sections that I haven't cut out yet, but that's due to like the angle. I don't think you want to see a big back in front of the camera. I mean, there's probably the odd few, but you know. Okay, ran out of beans for espresso machine for nearly 2 weeks. Recently found out that it's not just the caffeine kick that I like. Feel very off every morning. Got my beans and life is good. I'm more happy with instant coffee, no snob, but nothing makes my morning better than a tasty latte with some nice art. Bro, we started, because we got a coffee machine from our wedding, me and my wife. And I was thinking, hey, we should start using it, it's just to save money. Because we're saving. Yo, Timber, thank you very much for the 71 roses. Thank you, brother. Good at music pool, yeah, just some World of Warcraft music in the background, brother, while we get some work done. Big love from the UK. Appreciate you, brother Ched. Yo, Timber Tactics, thank you very much for the 30 roses, and Ched again with the heart as well. Thank you, brother. Trying to keep up with everyone. Trying to keep up. Oh, Angelo, good night, sir. At least night in Spain. I don't know you. I followed time ago because I saw the clip in a person and the way you did my heart. Thanks for being how you are. More people like you would be appreciated. Love, my man. Hey, appreciate you, brother Angelo. Most of all, my brother, you have a good sleep. If it is late in your parts of the world, go to sleep. Why? So you don't get eye bags. The only things that should have black eyes are pandas. So go to bed. Morning, Zach. Andy New and Bjorn. Thank you very much for the aroha. I love the name Bjorn, because it means bear. My Twitch mascot is a bear that was made by my kids. One Cole. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Love from Tonga. Hey, what's up, Toko? Morena Kaya, how are you? Dig the tunes, what do you make? Oh, it's T Breezy. Thank you very much, brother Cole. Where you from? Sorry about our politics and don't know. Yeah, you're all good, bro. Messages just on my mind. No, don't ever, bottle things up. Like I always say to people that watch the stream, no matter what platform you're on these days, because I'm a multi-streaming Andy now. Just know that all my platforms, all my streaming channels are safe for you to open up on air. If we're going to have our old dickhead Carl from down the road say something in the chat about you and wanting to open up, Big Broxy will deal with them. Alright? Doing accordingly. You know that one scene on Lion King 2, when they exile Kovu? That's what we'll do. If people talk shit about you, opening up. I'm out here trying to watch out for the mental health of my community, man. So we can thrive and get 1% better than we were yesterday, You're all good, brother. Just don't donate anymore, so you save up for your trip to your fiancée. Bloody hell. You'll make the uncle in me come out, and he's not very nice. Matthew Decker, what's up, brother? Other than my nieces and my nephews, they have a fun call, okay? I'm the fun uncle. Thank you, Den Uken. Oh, how do I say that? Thank you very much, Des Do It, for the flaming heart as well. And 2 squares in your username with the 12 roses. What does that mean? Yeah, bro, 1% better every day, brother. It's Danish. Oh, okay. Thank you, TJ. Appreciate you, brother. 51 for a kilo bag of beans, 18 for a medium large bag. They take milk off that as well. Oh, okay. You've gotten both ends of the spectrum to vent to, Brox. You got people going through the worst and watching Brox just bring some comfort and closure when you listen. Then you've got me yapping about coffee beans. Hey, I'm impressed at how in depth you can go with coffee beans, though. The only thing I've ever wondered about coffee beans is if you can raw dog it and eat it, and would it be an extra kick, Has anyone done that? Has anyone raw dogged the coffee bean? Thank you very much, Eli Te Mara, tēnā koe. Some dude, kia ora. Yeah, has anyone ever raw dogged the coffee bean? Extremely bitter. Low key wanna try it. Low key. Can't be as more bitter than my nan. Low key wanna try it on stream. I might try and next time I go to the gas station, can I have a coffee bean, please? Just one. Not in the cup, not crushed, just the coffee bean itself. Low key want to try it. It's disgusting. I tried it. Okay, that makes me want to try it even more. I watched the guy eat too many whole and have to get. Wait, they had to get it surgically removed? Okay, this dude was probably shitting like a rabbit if he ate too much. He probably ate more than one. I was only planning on having one. That's about it. I bet that guy raw dogged the whole bag. I don't know the guy, but I'm pretty sure that's what he would have done. I'll be your idol. Straight up. Hold up. It's like, here, don't smell it. He wanted to eat the digest, shit it out, wash it and make coffee. What? That's weird. My man's trying to be a kiriru IRL. Because that's what kirirus do. It's a native bird here, chat. They eat the middle berry. And obviously, you know, comes out the backside. But when the middle berry makes its exit out of the kiriru, it still has this jello surface over it, and it helps it to grow when it's in the ground. Do you play Marvel Rivals? Yes, I do, my bro. I have not played Ranked. I am a Magic main. No, I'm not a Snow Bunny main. I just like the person that's got the big sword in the gunfight. Yeah, I like Magic, my bro. She's cool. I do like the Vanguards more as well in terms of like roles. How is my Queen Mantis in the current meta? Is she shit still? I did see that Jean Grey is getting added as well. I miss playing Doctor Strange. Do you remember what coughing machine you got goes inside to check? It's a silver one with the name Breville on it. Does that? Yeah, we got it for our wedding gift. Thank you, Tom, for the rose. Kia ora, kia ora. Mantis has always been pretty good. Oh, okay. Yeah, I could be keen to come back and jam some Marvel Rivals. Yeah, Magic, my bro. She's my favourite. I understand she's getting another skin in the Battle Pass too. I didn't like the current Battle Pass, so I didn't really get it. But man, her X-Men skin, bro, is so clean. It is so clean, bro. I like how simple it is, like even with the color palettes of the old school X-Men colors, bro, it goes hard. I play Magic, Captain America, and the Thing. Oh, I forgot the Thing's on there. That's tough, bro. Hey, thank you very much. I haven't seen you in a long time. This is so nice. Hey, what's up, Colita? How are you? Yo, Tireless, thank you very much for the rose as well. I've had an Express for a couple years, and it's awesome. Upgrade to the Pro and enjoying it a lot too. Oh, alright, okay. Thank you, Dudna, for the roses as well. Did I say your name right? And Sam L. Thank you, thank you. Chat, we'll take a break soon, have a Q&A. And then get back into it and rock and roll. Yeah, I don't want to be on too long today, chat, because my niece is inside and I just walked in and she asked when I'm finishing. She goes, Uncle, when are you finishing? She give 50 subs then. That's my sub goal. She's like, you're dumb. I was like, you can't even count to 20. I think I got her, chat. Yes, I am an uncle, chat, but keep in mind that I am the cheeky uncle as well, you know? I stand on that. I always will. I just got a refurbished used Google Pixel X8 for my Pixel 5 and arrived already. Had a scratch on the screen. Bro, it's annoying when they do that, eh? They deliver you something and it's like been damaged. Happy to bless you and your live on my feed once again. Hope all is good, man. Yo, brother Jordan. Everything's okay, brother. Everything's okay. It's just busy as usual. Bubba is a bit sick right now, so my attention has been with her majority of the time. Been doing some night owl shifts while she sleeps, my brother. She's just to make sure she's having a good sleep, that's all. Normally when the kids are feeling a bit sick, I on those first few nights I normally try and stay up for the majority of the night. Just it's for me as well, just to know that they're gonna be okay and have a good sleep. And because it's easier for me to stay up, I just watch a program or play a game. But yeah, just making sure they're okay. Hey, what up, King Bird? Good to see you again. Thank you very much for the 15 roses, my bro. Kia ora, King Bird. Okay, what's all the notches we've done so far? So we've done here. We need to add some there. These ones. And a bit here. So we're about there right now. Can't wait to have sleepless nights when I'm a dad. Oh, bro, it's cool, bro. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I genuinely love seeing how at peace the kids are when they sleep. It makes me feel like, I think it's the same for my wife too. It makes me feel like I'm doing something right as a father. That's how it makes me feel. Knowing that, you know, they're safe. Although, you know, the neighborhood we live in right now is going a bit weird. But yeah, that's why I'm so dedicated to trying to save right now for a house. Just to get them out of here too. Like the other day's chat, someone had someone was indulging in a light bulb and a lighter out the front of the house, and that kind of set me off seeing that. Yo, OG, thank you very much, brother, and Coleman as well. Yeah, I don't know how to say it with while streaming on TikTok, because I know the AI is very strict with wording as well. Yeah, saw someone doing that in front of the house, and with me, I don't want that within 100 k's of my kids. I know it's in it. You get me. I just don't want it around my kids, no matter how far it is. And yeah, as soon as I saw that, bro, I got pissed off. So I went out, tried not to be too confronting, and just asked, "Why are you doing that in front of the house? Or in front of my house?" You know, it's not my house, but you know. I said it nicely, and you know, they got scared. They go, "Oh, sorry, sorry." I just said, "Can you leave?" And they left. Like, it could have been, I could have went a whole different way and went the confronting way, as I could do. Oakley and Kyle, thank you very much for the aroha for the penguins and the roses. But I just kindly asked them, thank you, Katie. I just kindly asked them, can you leave? Don't do that in front of my house, please. And bro, you could see they were like tweaking over out of their minds. But yeah, that's the kind of shit I don't want my daughters to see. They are aware that, you know, these bad people out there. I made sure they know that. Don't talk to strangers. You know, parenting 101 stuff. But yeah, when I saw that, man, it took a lot for me to hold back. Like a lot. Just dropped in nice work. Thank you, Nee. I just had to Google what light bulb. Oh, true. Yeah, I don't know how to word it while we're live on TikTok. How do you preserve timber? Take it inside. I don't have a woodshed, brother. I would love to have a woodshed. My ideal woodshed, like, okay, this is how I'd have it. So, this is what I'd do. We'll take our surroundings, for example. So you see what we're in right now. To me, this would be perfect. This, but we'd obviously wall it all off, but I want gaps in between the walls as well. Extend the roof out so the rainwater can't get in. So you have that natural airflow going through, keeping the timber nice and dry as well. That's what I'd that's how I'd do it pretty much. Like I think I've done it a couple times on streaming, designed my ideal shed. But yeah, that house that I showed you guys last week, it's a big garage with 3 doors and what looks like an office on the other end. That would be cool. I saw a gold name come up. What was that? Unknowing, thank you very much. Whenever I want good vibes, I look for your videos. Hey, appreciate you, brother. Bravo. You and my dad have similar aura. Big, tall, and strong, but nice at first. When push comes to shove, you can be scary. Yeah. My daughters have only seen me like that once, and they're like, "Oh, Papa." I mean, don't worry. What is that? Thank you for the flame hearts, Kyle, and Unknowing for the roses. I've been watching this guy on TikTok too, Bravo, as I see your name. He talks about the significance of runes within, I don't want to say Viking culture, because that's a role, eh? Would I say Norwegian? One love, man. I don't want recognition. This is my stream, and I will show you recognition. Norse, yeah. I don't want to say Viking, because Viking's the title of a warrior, eh? Sorry, Big Bird. This is my stream. I'm gonna acknowledge you, my bro. That's rude. My nan taught me never to be rude when people show kindness to you, and I feel like she'd probably slap me across the head with her spectral jandal if she was behind me. Yeah, she'd slap me across the head with her spectral jandal from the afterlife if she saw me not do that. What are you making? We are currently fully designing a fish hook, pretty much. What's the temperature there? I have no idea. The reason why I have a hoodie and a jacket on is to make sure I don't get sick. Because if I get sick, then I can't carve. Oh, I can, but you know, it'll be like if I was going for a walk and someone was walking by me and I'm like, and then you try and be like, and then they walk past and you're like, I know, we all do it. If you talk Vikings from Sweden, oh, they're from Sweden. They're from quite a few places, eh? I mean, they did conquer a lot. Dude, are you the guy from Spider-Man? Yes. I'm Peter Park here. Everything is, I just want to keep your amazing work. Thank you very much, Seth. Thank you, brother. What's the time for you? It's currently 10:48 AM for me. Is that Maui's hook and water? Not so much a replica of Maui's hook. It's just a variation. I knew you were secretly Peter Parker. Yes. I'm so proud of you. Yes to a movie. Much love, Uncle, all the way from South Africa. Hey, what's up, brother? Are you Korg from Thor? No. I'm actually Meek. No voice lines, eh? That's me. No. Man, I wish they did Beta Ray Billy instead of making him a frickin' statue, bro. One my lane hard. While I go fuck BG Lord. Oh, what were you playing in Dota? Yeah, it's been cool learning about other cultures, like other TikTok creators from different cultures. And yeah, especially learning about runes. I've always been fascinated by runes, and their meanings. Because with our latest daughter, she was born in a big, while a big thunderstorm and electrical storm was on. And all I could think about was Thor at the time. I was looking out the window, I was like, far out, look at that, bro. RuneScape mentioned runes, not RuneScape. My name is Korg. I'm made of rocks. Nah, my favorite line. Everyone knows my favorite line from that Thor movie. Behold, my stuff. Bro, that line sends me every time, bro. He's like, I got these guns from Texas. I'll call them Destroy. That's my favorite line from that whole movie, bro. Behold my stuff. That should be my new raid. That should be my new raid notification for Twitch. Behold my stuff. Thank you very much, Panda Bruh Dude, for the 5 roses. Let's go back some more, see if I missed any. Why is it telling me to invite Joey Swole to the live? Sorry chat, just scrolling back because I know what I missed some. Where are we? Thank you very much to Bat Emoji for the 2 roses. OG Kingbird with the rose as well. Zaka with the 72 roses. Hui! Tireless with the gem gun. Thank you very much, brother. Kingbird with the money gun. Okay, I think we're all caught up. There we go. There we go. Me whenever people come over, behold. We're from Sweden, did Viking stuff in the East Lake, started Russia, and then went all the way back to the Black Sea. True. It's cool learning about everyone's culture from, you know, the actual people. You're playing Thor right now, bro. I like his His new skin, he's got the... I don't know what to call it, the Met Gala looking one. Don't call me out. Hey, it's love too, so I will call you out. Yeah, good. Hope you have a blessed day, man. You too, Twitch Master. You too, my brother. You too. Okay, where are we? Did someone say Sweden? Yeah, someone from Sweden is in the YouTube channel. Much love, Omar. Chill, my brother. Alright, we'll get back into it. We'll lock in again. And get some more of these notches done. I want to start the other side this week. Oh, trust me, I'd like to meet everyone from all the channels. I was gonna try and go to TwitchCon this year, check, because it's the 10-year anniversary. But with all the crap that's going on in America, I don't feel comfortable going over. So I'm gonna stay home. What is the background music? This is the Zaralor from World of Warcraft Battle for Azeroth. It's the Zandalari capital. Hey, there's Chef over on YouTube. There we go. Thank you very much, Peter. Hey, Peter. How's it going, Peter? Hey, Peter. Peter, chicken eater. Here we go. How's it going, Peter? Thank you, brother OG and Adrian. Kia ora. Oh, you can't even probably see what I'm doing, eh, now? That the angle's changed up. There you go. Bro, you should collaborate with... Who's that, bro? What do they do? Bro, I live here. If only I could get a job in NZ, I would instantly leave. Oh, in America? Oh, bro, housing here is a bit redonkulous too. I want to go back down to Queenstown, chat, and just drive around. Take in all the scenery again. Hopefully once the kids are bigger and they know how to, you know, take them snowboarding one day. There you go. Oh. One moment. There we go. West of the Mississippi. What's up, brother? That's the first time someone said that. So, Koozie, yo, another... What's that? Another... Is that Bricken? Thank you very much for the gifties, my bro. I hope I said that right, brother. how am I gonna do this? Because I want you guys to see what we're doing too. View change. Hello guys, how we doing? Let me just swap these around real quick so y'all can see. There we go. Next year Oz convention, I'll try and make it. Wait, oh there's like a just convention in Central, in general in Central. Holy. Love to spend one single day with you, just one. From your tribe, brother. Who's your tribe? I think if I spent some time with people from the community, I think it'll be a big like sit down day. Like IRL. It'll just be a big sit down day of, you know, having a conversation. Just having a yarn. And at the end of it all, big ass barbecue. Big ass barbecue at the end. Hey, what's up, GV Wolf? How are you, brother? I have no other reason to live my comfortable home. Yeah, I got asked if I was going to PAX Oz this year. And yeah, I can't. I even got invited to the Tony Hawk Pro Skater launch chat. I can't go to that either. I've been very, very strict in saving. I think the only big spending that I want to do right now is just get new couches for our house. I've put all the money aside from the Nanathon for my Nan's gravestone. Next family gathering, we're having a meeting about it. I've put it forward to all the family that I want it either this year, at the end of the year, or the following New Year. I think they're a bit shocked at how stand on business I am, but you know, that's me when it comes to my Nan. They've fucked around for long enough, I'd say. Doing good. Dropping on by. Oh, cheer, my brother. All the chefs in the chat cooking a barbecue. Oh, bro, you have to teach me too. I want to get amongst it, not watch. Boring. Chat, I got asked a question from my niece last night too. She's going, Uncle, yeah? If you got the PM on your stream again? It's like, yeah. Would you get him on? Because he doesn't like Maori people, eh? It's like, oh, that's one way to say it. And I thought about it. And I'll be honest, I probably will get him on if he ever asked. For the pure reason to clip farm him. Get our engagement up. That's the only reason. That's the only reason why I get Chris Cumstain on, just to clip farm him. Yo, thank you very much, Veti. Kia ora. Maori, M-A-O-R-I. So we're the indigenous people of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Anelito, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Please let me know if I say your name wrong as well. All good, Eva. What's up, Tia? Good to see you again, brother. Kia ora from Kiwis living in the UK. Sure, how's the living over there, my bro? Are you over there for uni or just living there, my brother? Happy holiday. Thank you very much to Jim Home. I just saw that in the corner of my eye. I smell toast. Someone is having toast for lunch. On your marks, get set, and away we go. What's the time, chat? Okay, it's 11. How long have we been streaming for? Grow a garden trader, thank you very much for the rose. I see you. Weather's hot, bro. Oh, true, it'll be summer for you guys, eh? Kia ora, STH the Great. Oh, S the Great. Did I say that right? And thank you very much, Thunderbolt emoji, for the roses too. Like the S you put in the middle, have to. I always put random things on timber that's gonna get it cut out in the long run. Put a little bit of nostalgia in the middle, my bro. Alright, so we've done all of this. All of this has been done. All the notches have been opened up from that point. What is that carving for? Someone overseas, or someone from the Twitch stream actually. They saved up 1 million channel points and they redeemed it. This is the 3rd time that it's been redeemed. So that chat redeem, if you redeem 1 million channel points, I do the recipient of free carving. That includes postage too. Also, chat, I saw how expensive it is to have a PO box. I don't think I want a PO box anymore. That shit is expensive, bro. Boom, boom, dun, 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 dun. 40 to 50 a year, I can't remember. What's that for, my bro? How long have you been carving for? Since I was 12 years old, pretty much. 12 years old is when I started carving back in primary school. After that, after primary school, I moved here in 09. Then I went through the carving school here, upskill, learn more knowledge, and became a resident carver for a tourist company here, Maori tourism company. So I became like the main carver of the company. Then lockdown happened, unfortunately. But in saying that, you know, from lockdown came the tale of Brox, some carver from the bottom of the world that lives on a giant petrified stingray in a dormant volcano. That's home. I'm not even lying, chat, I live in a dormant volcano. So it smells like rotten eggs 24/8. After like a minute of living here, it just smells like air. The PO box. From what I saw, it's like between 2 to 300 a year. I think that's what I saw. Riley, thank you very much for the roses. That reminds me, I've got some coins in my account too, so I'm gonna give some TikTok live or some stuff. No point me holding on to them. I just had a brain fart. I mentioned the haka after Renga came out on LOL. Oh yeah, so Renga and Pike, they both do the haka. But Renga being the first. I think I know which city it is. Yeah, Rotorua. Kia ora Maori carving, kei te pēhea koe. Pēhea nā mahi. Can you see what I'm doing? Oh yeah. How's your mahi going? What's today? June, July, July, August. I've got like 2 months to do this thing. Also, any Instagrammers here? How do you make that exclusive content thingy? I'm thinking of doing all my offline projects and chucking them on there. Woodwhacker, thank you very much for the roses, brother. Plus I'm rural. Might be levels to boxes plus Aussie NZ difference. Yeah. I might go in and have a check. Check it out, see what we can do. But yeah, if it's gonna cost too much, then I'm probably not gonna do it. Definitely not worth. I love your attitude in life. Hey, appreciate you, brother Ryan. Sup, my brother? How are you? You looking after yourself, my bro? I don't care if anyone's new to the channel. I'm going to ask anyway. You know. I need to get back to the gym, bro. Once baby's better. Oh. Oh shit. How did you feel about blowing up? It was bloody stressful, I'll tell you that much. I was stressed. Why? Never in my life have I had that kind of attention in life. Never really expected it, to be honest. But yeah, with the initial blow up back in the day, yeah, I was stressed. I was stressed out because I didn't know what to do. But my New Year's resolution that year was don't be a bitch. Do something new, even if it's scary. And yeah, well, grateful I did, eh? Because I get to, you know, show what I love to do in life full time. And connect with people from around the world. Oh, that's my mum. My mum is ringing. Okay, they must be telling me, come and get your bloody kids. Yeah, it's been so that initially was how it felt when the whole thing went down. I felt stressed, scared, didn't know what to do, but luckily, you know, I knuckled down and stuck to my New Year's resolution that year, which was yeah, don't be a bitch, pretty much. Just do it and see what happens. And I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did. So yeah, never in my life did I think, the name Brox would become a world-renowned name ever. And always grateful for that blessing that's come my way. It took me a while to accept subs, but that was because of my nan. She was that X factor that made me change my whole perspective of it all. And that was the last conversation I had with her before she passed, and I will most likely never change, because only she could change me. The only other person in my life that can do so is my wife. Yeah, like I always say, from 1.9 mil followers on TikTok to 1.7 on Kick to 335 on Kick to 450k on YouTube to 321k on Insta to 70k on Twitter to... Am I missing one? No, that's about it. That's how many reasons I have to go live. Like, I don't go, yeah, I got this much followers. That just shows me how many reasons I need to be live every day. When I can. Yeah, I see those. I don't see it as a following. I see it as a reason to go live. No excuses unless, it comes to my family. I'll prioritise them first. It's like I always say, I'm a dad before I'm Brox. That's what I've always said. So you can kind of see them coming out now. Hey baby, what's up?
Can we go get them?
Yeah, I'll finish up the stream and we'll go and get them, eh?
Yeah, Auntie said there was a surprise. You have to bring the surprise I need that made.
Yeah, it's you. We won't tell them you're here, okay? We'll go and get them. Okay. It's my beautiful niece, chat. As you've probably heard, she's ready to go and pick up her cousins. So how we'll do this, I do apologise. I'm going to finish up the stream. I can't say no to that face. So we'll finish up with TikTok first. Ngā mihi nui everyone on TikTok who joined the stream today. I will most likely... Auntie wants me? Okay, one moment, chat. Alright, TikTok. Yeah, that's me. Thank you very much for the aroha today. I will be back. Probably won't be tomorrow because my niece is here and I need to navigate my eldest who's now sick. Hey. Yeah, need to navigate that, so yeah. Busy school holidays. I'm not finishing up on the others yet. I normally go TikTok and the others first. So TikTok, have a good day. And I'll see you later. Thank you very much for the aroha once again. Ka kite. Okay, normally how we do this, Twitch, Kick and YouTube. We finish up with YouTube next. And that gives us the opportunity to get a bit risky with the music playing. Have a good day, YouTube. Ngā mihi nui. And I'll see you later.